Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, squat down, put your hands on the ground, and jump your feet back, performing a push-up. From your push-up, jump your feet up and jump straight up in the air, performing a squat jump. Keep control of your breathing and repeat with good form through full repetitions. If you can't perform a full burpee yet, there's a few variations you can try to work your way up. One variation is to start by squatting, putting your hands on the ground, jumping back, jumping up, and then putting your hands straight in the air. This eliminates the push-up and the jump. Another regression is to start by putting your hands on the ground, walking your feet back up, and then putting your hands in the air. This eliminates the explosiveness of the jumping back and up. For an extra special and extra terrible challenge, you can try single leg burpees, which require you to do the full burpee on one leg, which makes this way harder, complete with excellent form through all repetitions. The burpee is a beast mode exercise that needs almost no introduction. It's versatile, it's athletic, and really just hard. Let's get into it.